Located throughout your suite, you'll find various fire safety features, including sprinklers, smoke detectors, and fire alarms. Now, your sprinklers are a flush-mounted sprinkler system, and they're designed to pop off the wall in the event of a fire. So it's important to note that if you're painting the suite, don't paint over your sprinkler systems, as it may cause it to adhere to the wall and not function properly. Your fire alarms themselves are going to be tied into the building security system. So in the event that there was a fire located somewhere throughout the building, the fire alarms will sound and security will direct you which way to exit the building. So it's important to pay attention when the fire alarms do actually sound. On both your smoke detectors and your fire alarms, you'll find strobe lights that are designed to help the hearing impaired. In the event that somebody can't hear the fire alarm, they'll be able to see it.